If your home feels heavy, if your mind has been restless, if you sense something unseen lingering in the corners of your space, this is your sign. It's time to cleanse. It's time to reset the energy that surrounds you. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the sacred practice of smudging with sage. You'll learn how to clear stagnant energy, protect your space, and welcome in peace, clarity, and harmony. Stay with me until the end, where we'll seal your cleansing with a beautiful blessing you can repeat anytime you feel disconnected. Smudging is more than smoke. It is a ritual of renewal. This practice dates back thousands of years, used in Native American traditions, Tibetan rituals, and ancient Eastern ceremonies. Burning sacred herbs like white sage or Palo Santo was never about fragrance. It was about intention. In Buddhist thought, everything is energy, and energy, like dust, can collect where it is not cleaned. Smudging is how we dust the spirit of our space. To begin, you need just a few items: a bundle of dried sage, a fireproof bowl or shell to catch the ashes, a lighter or a match. But the most important thing, your intention. Before you light the sage, pause, breathe, center yourself. Let your heart be still. Step 1. Light the sage bundle. Let it catch fire briefly, then gently blow it out until it smolders. The smoke is your cleansing tool. Step 2. Begin at your front door. Walk clockwise through your home. Let the smoke drift into corners, closets, beneath beds. These are where heavy energy often hides. Step 3. As you move, speak your intention softly or in your mind. Say something like, I release all that no longer serves me. I cleanse this space of negativity. I welcome peace, clarity, and light. Step 4. Keep your windows open. You're not just moving energy, you're letting it leave. Step 5. Once complete, return to where you began. Extinguish the sage safely in your bowl. Then sit in silence for a moment. Feel the shift. Honor it. Now that your space is clear, let's seal it with a Buddhist-inspired blessing. You can repeat this aloud or in silence. Let it vibrate through you. May this space be filled with loving kindness. May peace dwell in every corner. May all suffering be released, and may only light remain. Smudging isn't just about the smoke. It's about presence. It's a reminder that you are the guardian of your energy, and your space reflects your soul. Return to this practice when you feel drained, anxious, or lost. Let it become a ritual of coming home, not just to your house, but to your true self. If this brought you clarity, peace, or inspiration, consider sharing it with someone you care for. And subscribe for more wisdom and sacred practices like this.